Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we have come to a place called NOMAD'S camp, which is just right next to DD Hills, which is also called as Devarayanadurga Hills. This NOMAD'S camp is around 75 km from Bangalore and 15 km from Tumkur, and this is going to be a different experience. Like, we are going to stay in tent for 1.5 days and for one night, and it's going to be exciting and it's going to be like really different, unique experience. And I'm trying this for the first time, like staying in tent and doing trekking and stuff. And I've also heard that there's night trekking here, so I think we might do that. Let's get started with the video.
Hello everyone!
So where are we going today? We are going to
Nomad camp!
Yes! So excited to be in tent for a night. We are gonna have a unique experience and first time experience as well. Oh!
We started at 8 am and taking route of Bangalore Tumkur highway, and at Dobaspete we need to take right on Devarayanadurga or Madhugiri road to reach the nomad camp. What a wonderful bright and sunny day, and feeling sense of summer days welcoming us. Route conditions found good, and we are enjoying the scenic beauty of the countryside.
Now we are almost nearing Nomad camp and feeling excited.
At Durga Hilli post, we need to take left and travel around 6 kilometers to reach the camp. This stretch of road looks humpy bumpy, and we are having fun out here. Thrilling to ride the car in high steep small road, and tires are skidding.
Nomad's camp. Now we are gonna have fun inside the camp, and yeah, let's get going. Hello, so this is our tent and now I'm gonna give you our tent tour. So yeah, come in and join me. So when you come at starting only, you get this big comfy bed, and here also there's a separate bed if you have many members, and this is kind of like a book case, like you can read here, and there's a book here also, like for book readers it's fine, it's good. And there's a table fan. I don't think so we need table fan now, cause yeah. And this is so interesting that in a tent there's washroom, and I am so surprised by this. So yeah, come into this. So here you have the wash basin, and here you even have the geyser, and you can use whenever you want to take bath, you can on it and use it. And that's it for the room tour, and this is quite so good. So totally we booked 2 tents, and one is for my parents and one for all our cousins. And now I'm gonna show you the property tour, and yeah, let's get going.
This view is one of the highlight of Nomad Camp, as you get great view of faraway hills and greeneries. This are canvas tent, and totally there are 6 tents in the camp.
This is our one more tent where our parents are staying, and here are quite a lot of tents here.
These tents are on upper elevations. The camp provides opportunity to bring your tents. Nomad also can arrange this type of tents, and all these tents have common toilets. This look interesting. Small, bring your own tent.
This is the parking area, and there's like enough of place for parking area. And I guess here we'll have the bonfire at night, and this is the place which looks good. And here you get the view of the hill.
One of the highlight of Nomad are these 2 giant twin rocks, which is behind the dining hall, and let's explore it. This is bird eye view from top of Twin Rocks. Wow, this will give 360 view of camp and surroundings. These are surrounding hills around, and we are at the back of DD Hills. There are peacocks in the campus, and we are lucky to spot few and super lucky to capture peacocks spreading their wings. This is the canteen area, and homely cooked food are served here under the buffet system.
Just kind of exploring the camp, and I found this pretty mirror here. Like they've decorated this mirror, and okay, I'm short. Okay, no, I'm not short. And from this mirror, you can get like the view of all the hills here.
done with property tour and will chill out and have fun and hit the lunch later. What a rocking afternoon we went through at Nomad Camp.
Guys, literally my sister pushed it. It's so scary. Like I feel like I'll just go like this and fly. Like wee. But it's so fun. Nice. You'll get a nice sleep here. Oh. Like literally everyone is having fun inside the tent, and yeah, I'll show you now. Hello everyone.
Next to your leg.
Look at our cousins.
Hi.
Everyone is like bit calling here. So now it's 1:30 and it's now lunch time. So yeah, now we are gonna have lunch, and they called us, and I'm actually not hungry, but yeah, but I can eat, and I'm just excited to see what kind of food they have made here. And we had a welcome drink which was papaya juice, and which was like really nice. And now heading down to get my lunch. At Nomad, and we are chilling. So we just had our lunch, and the lunch was fine, and now we are gonna play some board kind of games like Allo Goody Money. Already my cousins are playing, so yeah, let's go and join them.
And now this is empty, no? So you should leave this and take this. Hey, where is some fell down?
We are taking some rest now, and at 5:30 p.m. we'll be visiting nearby hills for sunset view.
So now we are going to view the sunset by trek we are going, and yeah, let's go. So now we are going through a very small way, and
the sunset viewpoint is just 5 minutes walk from the camp.
By the way, you have coffee, tea, and some snacks, so you can help yourself. Okay.
okay, so it was just a 5 minutes walk, and we already reached here. And here you get a good glimpse of sunset view. Literally, look at the view. The view is so good, and People are, it's like kind of like a small picnic, and people are doing picnic kind of here, and watching the sunset here is just so beautiful here.
The sunset is going to set now and we made time lapse of it.
Finally the sun settled and it looks so pretty here. Had a very pleasant sunset, and what a sunset we had front of such an amazing view of DD Hills, and everyone is enjoying here, chilling here, and it's so pleasant here.
Night trekking is the next activity and this team is gearing up for the adventure.
Ready for the night trekking? Yeah, let's go. So guys, it's around 7:15 and we are gonna do night trek, and I'm quite excited, and it's actually dark, so they gave us this torch. Like, it has red light and even this white light, so we're gonna do trekking, and I'm quite excited, and it's so scary. Like, already I heard some kind of weird noise there, so now we are waiting for others to come to do night trek, and we're not gonna climb the full hill. Like, we are only doing half trek, and it's gonna be really adventurous, and it's me trying first time doing night trek, and it's really gonna be very interesting and thrilling. Woo, let's get going. Okay, so now we started trekking and I barely can see anything. Like, it's so dark, I feel like I'm gonna fall.
Hi guys, how is it, Josh?
Woo! So now we are having our first pit stop, and I think we're gonna move now, and where I'm relaxing a bit, and the view from here is so good. I don't think so you will be able to see, but it's so good, and we can even see stars which you guys can't see. Feeling? Hey everybody, I'm feeling so good.
We'll have to.
Okay, so now we are having a second pit stop here.
What's here? Hey, we saw some noise coming from the side.
Yeah. Sometimes here you get some weird kind of noise, but everything is fine, but scary. Okay, so now we are done with the second pit stop, and now we are gonna resume and climb the hill. Woo.
I heard some.
ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಮುಳ್ಳು ಬೆಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ. Crouch and come, okay?
Oh, for the fort. Oh, what is the fort name?
Devarayanadurga.
Oh, this. Oh, this.
No, this is the entrance for the fort.
Okay.
So now we are entering the entrance of the fort, and I think we're already done climbing, and we found Hanuman here. Okay, so now we are doing the third pit stop, and after that we'll again trek for some time.
ಗೋವೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಅಂತ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್.
Huh.
Turn the lights off. Turn the lights off.
Okay.
Okay, so here's a cave. We need to go inside the cave, and I'm getting the feeling of Hutri Durga here. We couldn't go inside the cave, but here we can go inside the cave, I guess. So yeah.
We're going inside.
The hill. Whoa.
Look at the formations here.
Whoa. Iba.
This was all sand. Look at the formations here. This was all sand. This was, because of the erosion, the sand has kind of gone. So these are all, sand, structures created with the sand. This whole thing was covered.
Done with the fourth pit stop, and now we are resuming the journey and we are going.
You'll have to be careful on this.
And look at this way. It's most probably you can't see except my face.
कहो ना चलो नहीं चिप्स कहो ना ब्रो कोरोना कोरोना कोरोना
Pit stop here, and every pit stops give a different kind of vibe, and that's so good. Experience of night trek.
This is my first night trekking experience I'm going through in my life, and it's something very fascinating, interesting. And I was thinking during night time, all these animals will come out and they will explore this place, but I couldn't see any animals here. The beauty about this thing is, at every pit stop, you get a new vibe, a new, if you look at this place here, we are kind of sitting behind some kind of a entrance of the door. Like that, you're able to see at every pit stop a different kind of experience. The one that I liked is the cave pit stop. It's amazing. I could feel that we have gone back to those stone ages, and there I want to thank Navya for singing that nice song, and that will be remembered for a very long time. Overall, a great trekking experience. Thanks to Nomad.
Hello Navi.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm good.
What's your overall experience about Nomad Camp?
Okay, let me tell you one first thing. It's really going good. So I never experienced night trekking in my life ever. So I think this is my first experience, and I'm enjoying a lot. So every single moment I'm enjoying in this trek. We are enjoying every bit of moment. So this is what I can tell. So it's really good. So anybody who's willing to come for Nomad, please plan for your night trekking. Okay. Bye bye. Have a good day.
Okay, so we are done with climbing, and now we are descending down. And descending down only has some thrilling experience, and it's fun to do that. And that last pit stop was that arc thing, and had a great time. And every pit stop had a different vibe, and it was really nice. And now we are descending down, and yeah, hopefully we reach down safely.
That's all for this video. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, comment below and I'm happy to answer for you. Stay tuned for my next video on day 2 here in Nomad Camp. Bye and take care.